Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel and you're welcome back to another amazing video. So I promised you guys that the next video you'll be seeing of me is packing my hospital bag. And yeah, we are progressing and baby will soon be here and time is ticking. So I want to pack my hospital bag now and I want you guys to pack with me. So here's what will be in my hospital bag: the hospital essentials, newborn essentials, and the stuffs I'm taking alongside the hospital. You guys should forget this box, so I'm not packing to go and leave there. So guys, sit down, relax and watch, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please like and subscribe, share the video. Thank you so very much. Let's get right into this. So firstly, I have my delivery mat here. I'll be putting in my delivery mat first, and yeah, what next? Baby's first wear. All the first wears are here, so I'll be following that up with this, and my disposable pants. I'm not really good at packing, so you guys will manage me like that. Have baby's cap here. Baby's cap, baby's face towel. Have baby cap, baby face towel, or towel that's, baby is too small. They might be using this one. Might need this one to, clean the baby up, and have my towels here. And then I have the bigger towel. I'll go in with my please, my baby says it's stopping me. I'm going in with my cotton wool. Then I have my cotton buds here, pantyhose here, just in case. So I'm not planning to stay very long at all in that hospital. I have my wipes here. I'm not good at packing at all, so you guys should pardon me. Then my olive oil is here. Very necessary. Very necessary. So I'll just put it somewhere here that it's safe. And baby's cream, powder, and soap. Very important. Very important. Baby's Vaseline, baby's comb. I pray baby should come with a lot of hair. Baby should have hair, because I'm not even kidding. Cup, baby spoon. The hospital requested for it, so here it is. Then we have tissue here. Hospital requested for it, so it's in here. Then Dettol. They did not request for Dettol. Yeah, but I'm carrying Dettol because I might need it to shower, and the rest did not request for Dettol, mentholated spirit, but I have to carry my Dettol, my detergent, my mentholated spirit, and all of that. They didn't request for it because the kind of hospital I'm using, yeah, in charge of all these things, but I still need it, at least for the house when we get back home. So I'll be carrying this one. Then baby feeder, in case milk doesn't rush immediately, but I know it will rush immediately in Jesus' name. Anything for this part, I don't think there's need though. No need. I'll just put it here. Then baby sponge. Then flags, they asked us to bring flags for the mom, like hot water generally, and for me for beverages, cup and spoon. But me, there's no need, I don't think there's space for cup and spoon and all those serere. So this flask now has like 2 cups, so I'll be using it from here. Can drink it from here and just with my spoon. That's all, no stress. So this one, I don't think I'll fit it here. I'll just hold it in my hands when I'm going. And then what else? Baby's flannel. Yeah, baby's flannel. Have baby's flannel here. I hope I've packed. I'm done packing everything before adding this flannel. Then for me, I have my body spray, my deodorant here. My son should discover it, so I don't know where it is. So yeah, the bag is already filled. Then also wrapper for me. They said we should bring more than 2 or 3 wrappers. I have one here, I have 2 here. And clothes that I'll make do of in the hospital. So I have it here. Last but not the least, for this one, there's not too much weight like that. I'll just put it up here. And that's it. I will also be needing diaper. So diaper, I'll just divide it into a bag and I'll put it inside my other bag, the one I'll be carrying like hand luggage. So I'll just put like 20 and take alongside me to the hospital. So basically that's all. This one too, I'll be holding it. That will be all. So that's that. So that's what's needed in your, that's what will be needed in your hospital bag. Hospital bags, you can see I'm all ready and waiting for baby to just arrive and I'll go and bake that baby out. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully it's a birth video or yeah, a birth vlog. Hopefully, yeah, because I need this baby to come out quick. I'm already tired. I'm exhausted. Maybe she don't come out. So hopefully birth vlog next. Yeah, or I'll still make some more videos before then, but anyhow, let's see how it goes. So see you guys later. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.